sip and serve with Russell's.
Chicken liver bite. Butter, turmeric powder, chicken liver, salt, cumin powder, capsicum, lime, green chilies, onion, curry leaves, tomatoes, curry powder, chili powder, black pepper, coconut milk, tomato paste. Heat butter in a pan over medium heat. Add curry leaves, green chili, onion, and tomatoes. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until soft and fragrant. Add salt, curry powder, chili powder, black pepper, and turmeric. Stir the mixture well. Add the tomato paste. Pour in the coconut milk. Stir and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chicken livers into the sauce. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the liver is cooked through but still tender. Add the chopped tomato, curry leaves, and green chili. Squeeze some lime juice over to add a tangy kick. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture starts to soften. Remove the chicken liver bites from the pan and place them on a plate. Garnish the dish by adding a sliced lime, tomatoes, and capsicum. Enjoy the chicken liver bites as a delicious appetizer or snack.